All right, now that we've finished our dry embossing and our stamping, we're going to start assembling our card. The first thing I want to do is just take a little bit of my snail adhesive and put it on the back of my chocolate chip paper. And then I'm just going to center it. And you're eyeballing a lot of this stuff, but do use your grid paper because it helps you. And it helps if you hold it the right side when you're doing it. And I'm just going to go ahead and center that right in the middle. Perfect. Now to attach the two cards, I'm just going to line them up. And with one of those holes that I used earlier that I dry embossed, I'm just going to poke a hole with my 1/16 inch punch. I'm going to take a gold brad and I'm going to attach the two cards. Now, it's perfectly fine. Sometimes if you lay the brad down, or your paper down, and spread the brad prongs, it makes it a little bit easier. All right, now it's perfectly fine to leave it like that. It's a swing card. You would go ahead and again repeat your design with the chocolate chip and the white paper, but leave it blank inside so you can write a little saying to your Easter person. The other thing you can do, if you don't like that brad, you can just cut yourself a little piece of ribbon, and I'm using the soft sky just like the cardstock. Tie yourself a little knot bow. Very quick and easy. Take one of your Stampin' your Stampin' pop-up dots. And all you're going to do, when you use your pop-up dots, you want to take whatever you want to stick and attach it to the dot and then pick it up. If you try to pick it up with your fingers, they'll be everywhere. So what you can do here is just go ahead, put this ribbon right over the brad. It hides the brad, gives it a soft look, and you've got a beautiful Easter card ready to go. I hope you enjoy trying our new carousel note cards.